Imagine it's the last day of the month. Your finance team is under pressure, and this is month-end reality. But what if AI could help? Analyze thousands of transactions, identify variances automatically, and detect risks before they become problems? Well, hello everyone. Welcome back to BISP Solutions. Today, we will explore how AI transforms Oracle ARCS. The finance teams spend significant time on repetitive activities. The challenge isn't complexity, it is volume. Imagine managing 50,000 transactions.
Reconciliations slow down the financial close.
Auditors begin asking questions.
Teams must investigate discrepancies. Every delay increases risk.
This is where AI becomes a game changer. It processes data and identifies patterns. And let's consider a simple example. Traditionally, this required manual investigation, but AI can perform this analysis. Reconciliation documentation is highly repetitive, but AI can automatically generate professional narratives from data, improving consistency. Not all accounts carry the same level of risk. Some contain recurring exceptions. AI can identify high-risk accounts.
Matching can be time-consuming. AI learns matching patterns. It recommends all match types. Greater volume brings greater benefit. What if AI could predict problems? By analyzing close data, AI can identify and bottlenecks, from reactive to proactive.
Will AI replace accountants? The answer is no. AI will empower them. Humans will focus on strategy. Subscribe to BISP Solutions and take your Oracle EPM and ERP skills to the next level.